So, new ECU, THOR, I'm going to try and put it in. I don't know if you've ever seen a fairing come off one of these before, but I thought I'd show you how to do it. So, real simple, one bolt under there. A bit like Blue Peter, that was one I've done before. And these come off. There we go. Put them in the tray. And the tricky one on these is they've got some hidden fasteners on the inside of the wheel well, which you've got to sort of pop out, and they can be a bit of a pain. So those are all 3mm hex keys, and then you've got, where's the other one? I think it's oh, underneath there. I've got to get that undone. So underneath, I can't remember what size they are, but we'll quickly find out. Nope. So there we go. I can't remember how to do these ones. It's that way, isn't it? There we go. Too many tools, not enough time to learn how to use them. Should really put something down because it's going to be full of grit and shit, I think, probably. There we go. Manky. There's one more at the back. So this one needs a clean, as you can probably tell. And she does have, she's got 16,000 miles on her now, so she's got quite a fair bit of mileage. Alright, I just got to remember where these other fasteners are. I think there's there. Is it there? I can never remember. Oh, there we go, yeah. So it's a weird, you see there's a weird pop out up there. So for that I need a different tool. That is what I need. And a posh workbench like Mark would be nice. I wonder if it's that one as well. There we go. That's one. I also think there's another clip there, which I've just seen. Oh, God. Bloody see, it's so dark. It's probably not going to fall off the moment I. Gonna put one of those back in just to hold it on, stop it falling off. Oh, that's what I was missing. It's such a faff doing this compared to the other bikes with the Zeus clips. They're so much easier to work on. Like, I can't tell you. Right, that is out. Yay, okay. Right. I'm pretty sure when I did this with Harrison, he put this back on his own a lot better than I'm taking it off. Where's the boy when I need him? Alright. Well, that was cack-handed, to say the least. Where's the boy when I need him? Alright. Well, that was cack-handed, to say the least. Right, so bit of a zhuzh with the baby wipes, bit of a clean. It's a little bit cleaner than it was. Other ECU is out. Let me show you, it goes back in. So again, in the finest Blue Peter style, this is one I've made before. So you can see which way it's going to go in because it's actually got, I don't know if you can see that, but the plugs are different. So you can't mix them up. So that blue side is going to go on that side, I know, because I can see it matches the key. There's an earth lead, it's 2 bolts. So we're going to pop it up there, sit it up against its little sockets. Pop the first one in. There we go. Goes through there like that. And then underneath there, can't really see very well, but there it is a mount for it. I can't quite see. There we go. Just pop that one up. Just nip it in. Quite a long bolt. I don't know if you can see that. And that one goes in, just underneath the loom. Just nip them up. There we go. Right, now these are clever little buggers. So they go in, goes in square, it goes up, and what you do is it will lock as you twist that there like that, and that's in now. To the other one, goes in, you don't have to force it, just rotate the lock and it will close the plug. There we go, that's in. Right. So I'm just going to do a quick check that it actually starts up. CORSE SE THOR. There we go. Right. Backfire. Try again. Fantastic, it works. Right, that's good. Okay, start some runs. So I'm gonna put the bodywork back on. And that's it. There you go. Hope that was interesting. And any questions, don't ask me, because clearly I don't know what I'm doing. But it works, that's the key thing.